Alright, so in this video, we are gonna attempt to make $1.40 for every song that we're gonna be listening to. Alright, so join me in this video. I'm gonna find out whether this video makes sense or not, whether is it true or not. Alright, so enough talking and let's do this.
The first website that I came across was shrinkme.io. This is a URL shortening website where you can get paid whenever someone clicks on your shortened link. What you're going to need to do is find a good song that you really like. It can be on YouTube or any other platform. Copy the URL link of that song and come back to shrinkme.io and paste the link of the song that you have listened to. Click on shorten and it will then give you the shortened link. Now, I will show you how you can promote this link to get other people to click on it to start making money.
Alright, so for the first method, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna go to shrinkme.io, and then from shrinkme.io, right, what we have to do is to go here to YouTube and take any video, any music video, any of your favorite music videos, copy the link and paste it over here at shrinkme.io, and then we're gonna use the link. Alright, we're gonna use the link and then we're gonna promote it somewhere. Alright, apparently from the video where we're gonna be promoting the links will be at Pinterest. There's one, and then the other one, it will be, I don't really know how to pronounce it, but it is Imgur, I guess, Imgur, no idea, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and find a music video, and then I'm gonna copy it and then I'm gonna paste it at shrinkme.io. Alright, so I found the music video that I'm gonna be copying. So I'm gonna be copying this song right here, The Fox. Alright, so I'm gonna copy this over here, and then I'm gonna go back to shrinkme.io and I'm gonna paste my URL over here. Alright, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and click shorten right here. Error? What? Why is it an error? I have no idea why that happened, but alright, so I'm done shortening the link, right? So the link is over here. I'm gonna go ahead and copy this link, and I'm just gonna go ahead and promote it at Pinterest, and the other one will be called IMGUR.
Just go to Pinterest.com, click on the icon, and select Create Pin. It's going to take you to this page where you can share the short link of that song that you listen to. Paste the link here, add a description, add the title, and then hit publish. You can also go to Imgur and share your link there. Imgur also has a lot of free traffic. Just click on New Post, add an image, and paste your shortened link from shrinkme.io so that people can click on the link, listen to the song, and you get paid for it. Keep in mind that you will not get rich with this method. You will only get paid about $20 for every 1,000 clicks, which is not very much.
Alright y'all, check this out. I'm over at Pinterest, so I'm gonna go ahead and create a pin over here. So as you guys can see, this is my title, this is my description, and this is my link. Alright, and I've added all of the other necessary stuff like the board, the tagged topics over here, all this good stuff, right? And this image, right, I actually created it, right? I mean the video didn't really tell us to, like, they didn't tell us what kind of image to create, but I just thought that this is fitting. Okay, so I've created this image over here, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and click publish right here. Alright, your pin has been published. Good job. Alright, so the next thing that we have to do is to go ahead to the IMGUR website over here. Yo! Alright, so this is the website over here. Imgur, right? So I'm gonna paste the URL right here. Alright, it says sorry, URL failed to upload. No idea why, but I'm just gonna try and put the photo, I guess. Alright, this is getting a little bit confusing. Paste the URL. This is the URL. Sorry, URL failed to upload. Why? Why is it failing? Nothing's happening. Nothing is happening. Alright, so instead of using the URL, I actually chose the image instead. So over here, I mean, even if I were to put the image, right, there's no link, there's no URL for the viewers to click on, because at the end of the day, we need the viewers to be clicking onto the links, right? And over here, I don't really have an option to paste any unique link over here. There's a link over here, but this link is not, what is this? It's the Imgur link. I don't need that. I need the shrinkme.io link. I don't think there's any option over here to paste the link that we can earn money from, right? So I think for this website, it doesn't work. I guess so, right? I mean, there's no other place for me to add the link already. I can add more images, I can embed posts, I can download posts, I can delete the posts, but I don't need any of it. I need to add the link. That's what I need. So I can't find it. I'm gonna give it a go one more time. New post, paste the link. So this is not the link. Nope. No can do. Sorry, URL failed to upload once again. Alright, so we gotta move on. We gotta move on, guys. It doesn't work. At least the Pinterest works. That's nice.
That I use myself to generate this amount of money. This platform is called upforever.com. You can go to this link or search for Upforever on Google and click on the first result. This is a platform where you can make money when someone downloads a file from your link. What you're going to need to do here is click where it says make money, and you can then start uploading files. Those files can be actual music that is copyright free, which you can find on Pixabay, for example, or another similar website. If you go to pixabay.com, click on music, and start listening to songs. Once you find a song that you like, click on the download button, and it will download to your device. You'll get paid whenever someone downloads the song from this link. You can also share this link on different social media platforms such as Pinterest and
Yo, alright, so the last website will be called upforever.net. So over here, right, we can go and see the payment proof. Apparently there's proof over here that people are earning money, right? So as you guys can see over here, right, payment method, Binance, $1.20. When did this person withdraw? What is this? August? 2nd of August. Yeah, it's like 2 days ago. Okay, I mean if this is all true, right, then that's a good sign. Right, so just within 1 day, within 2nd of August itself, there's quite a number of people who have withdrawn their payouts, I guess. So I think it's pretty legitimate for the most part. Whoa, this person is earning $92. $92. It's a good sign. It's a good sign. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this website. So apparently for this website, right, how we're gonna be earning money is pretty much the same thing. We're gonna have to upload files as well over here. Alright, so we are at the upload file section over here at Up Forever. So what kind of file are we going to be uploading this time? It's not going to be the YouTube videos. What we have to do is to go ahead to Pixabay right here. Alright, so at Pixabay, right, we're going to be downloading the songs over here. Because apparently at this website, we are allowed to download the music. It is legal. So I've downloaded this music, this one over here. Anyone over here, right? Any music of your choice over here, whichever you like. Just download it over here with all these buttons right here. I've downloaded this, so I'm gonna go ahead and upload this music right at Up Forever. That's right. This is the music that I've downloaded. It is public. Yes. Yes. And start upload. Boom! Files uploaded. Click on file name to show its info. So I'm just gonna go ahead and promote this link, this short link right here. So another way to promote this, right, is the same thing. The same concept. So the video mentioned us to go ahead and use this short link and promote it at Pinterest. This is another website, and another one would be the IMGUR. Yeah, but unfortunately the IMGUR doesn't work, so we only have one way to promote these links. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and promote this link as well at Pinterest. Alright, so I'm done creating the pin. So this is the new method. It is the last method that I was mentioning earlier on. So this is the music that I've gotten from Pixabay, and then this is the link, right? This is the new shortened link. It is not the shrinkme.io. It is from the Up Forever link. So this is it, man. Right? I've created this quick image as per usual, and then this is the title, and then this is the description, and this is the link, right? The most important thing, it is the shortened link right here. And I've created the text over here, the tag topics right here, and then this is the chosen board that I've chosen. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click publish as well. Boom! Alright, your pin has been published. Alright, so as per usual, if there are any results, I'll for sure let you guys know as well. And if you guys want to know the results, right, whether does it work or not, you guys can check out my link at the description box down below. If you guys click the first link below, you guys will be able to see all of the truths about the make money online methods that I've tried all along. Alright, so click on the first link at the description box down below, and I'll see you guys inside. And there's another thing as well. Currently right now, right, I'm giving you guys a free course about how you guys can actually make money online. So if you guys want to make money online, doing what you love and enjoy, right? Basically monetizing your skills, your passions, your hobbies, all those good stuff that you already have in you. If you guys want to earn results like these over here, you guys see these good numbers, right? If you guys want to earn money like this, there are actually people earning this money right now. I have a free course about it as to how you can actually start. Click the first link at the description box down below, and I will send you guys a free course inside that I've created just for you.